Today, I'd like to share with you the idea that impaired cell communication is related to aging and how it can be minimized. Impaired cell communication is increasingly recognized as a key player in the aging process and contributes to various age related issues. Here, here's, here is how it's connected, and here are some potential approaches to minimize its impact. So, the connection to aging is as follows. One of the 9 hallmarks of aging is this altered intercellular communication. It highlights the significance of communication between cells in maintaining healthy function. Disruption in various communication pathways occurs as we age. Different mechanisms involved in cell to cell communication can get disrupted. This includes changes in signaling molecules, which are a potential source of actually benefit here, signal molecules, and I'll talk more about them. But changes in signal molecules, their receptors, and the machinery for sending and receiving messages is what's involved in cell communication. This has impact on tissue function. Impaired communication between cells disrupts the coordinated function of tissues and organs, leading to decreased efficiency and potential malfunction. So, although a lot of research is happening on signal molecules, once again, healthy lifestyle choices is the most important, including lifestyle, balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, but many, many more ways, which I have spoken about in my book, Grow Younger, Live Longer, 10 Ways to Reverse Aging. But I will explore this more with you. So healthy lifestyle is always the number one thing, and ultimately transcendence, a consciousness-based approach, minimizing the metabolism of time. But now there's a lot of research which is exploring targeting specific pathways. Exploring ways to target specific pathways is involved in cell communication. And this could involve activating beneficial pathways or inhibiting detrimental ones. Senolytics are compounds being investigated for their ability to selectively remove senescent cells which are aged, and also dysfunctional cells that can disrupt communication with neighboring healthy cells. So signal molecules include things like fisetin, quercetin, nicotinamide, mononucleotide, but there are also multivitamins and many other phytochemicals, including Ayurvedic adaptogens, of which I'll be speaking in great detail in the future. So that's it. How do we prevent, through healthy lifestyle and choices and nutrition and nutritional supplements and a consciousness-based approach, how do we help cells communicate with each other in a more efficient way? I have now discussed 9 hallmarks of aging and a little bit on how to minimize their impact. But as we roll into the future, I'll be creating detailed programs for longevity and health span so that we can all make our life joyful, experience a joyful, energetic body, loving, compassionate heart, clear mind, and lightness of being, and move in the direction of unity consciousness, which is the real purpose of life, to go back consciously to the source of existence.